Hey guys, it's me, Ghost Gamer, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to show you how to change your skin in Minecraft Java Edition. Right now it doesn't matter what kind of Java Java Edition of Minecraft that you have. But yeah, so what you want to do is you want to go to a website such as the Skindex, which is what I am using. And you can search for a skin up here. And you can scroll around, look for what skin you want. I'm picking this skin here. Now there are two choices that I use. I use these two: upload to Minecraft.net and download. I'm going to show you both ways. First, I'm going to do upload to Minecraft.net, and once you do that, you just scroll down, and then you can click upload, and then that's your skin right there. But that's not really the way I would recommend doing it. The way I would actually do it, if I were you, is I would go to download, and then it downloads the skin. You don't really, and then once it does that, you can just get rid of that. You go to Minecraft.net and you go to let's see, go here, profile, and then you go to your skin, and you can scroll down to select a file, and you can just click your skin. It should be, yeah, and then you can see the name of it there. I don't know if it'll show it for all skins, but for mine it does. And then there you go, just like that. You upload it. And it's done. You can reset your skin. I think that'll take it back to it will take you back to your Steve skin. But yeah. Oh, I should probably mention there are also two models that you can choose from. Like here, if I were to click on Strike as a Communist and did Slim, basically all that does is it makes his arms thinner. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully it helps. Yeah. Bye.